Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. If you're heading to see Mount Fuji and looking for a clean and budget-friendly hotel, then this video is for you. So now let's head to our hotel. It's called Toyoko in Fuji, Kawaguchiko, Ohashi. There's a free shuttle bus between the hotel and Kawaguchiko station. It operates between 6:50 a.m. to 11:40 a.m. and 1:20 p.m. to 8:30 p.m. Don't worry guys, I'll just include the link of the hotel's website in the description box below.
4 p.m.
So the standard check-in time here guys is at 4 p.m. and we arrive at 3:30 p.m. So we just had to wait 30 minutes and then we can check in. They actually have vending machines and also coin laundry, which is great for those who will be staying here longer. So we're headed to our room. By the way, guys, the rate that we got here was around 3,300 Philippine pesos per night, and that's good for two persons. They also have free breakfast included. The hotel is located close to Lake Kawaguchi. Also, there are ramen restaurants and konbinis nearby. So, if you want to grab some snacks or drinks, it's just within walking distance. So, now let's check out the room. So, this hotel, guys, offers different room types, but what we booked was an economy double room. So storage is minimal guys, no full closet, just hangers and hooks. There's a flat screen TV with Japanese channels, also few USB charging ports by the bed. A safety deposit box check. There's a mini fridge. Also, they provide pajama or yukatas. So there's also a hair dryer and some books. They also have here electric kettle, cups, and tea. And now for the bathroom. It's the classic Japanese bathroom. It's compact but super clean. You've got here a deep soaking bathtub with good water pressure. You have also the usual toiletries, toothbrush, razor, shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, and of course the towels. If you can, ask for a room facing Mount Fuji. One of the best things about staying here is that you're literally minutes from some of the best Fuji photo spots. So right now we're headed to Kawaguchiko station and we availed of the free shuttle. We're visiting Arakurayama Shenzhen Park. There are actually tons of great spots near this hotel within walking or short travel distance, like the Oishi Park, the Yagizaki Park, and also Lake Kawaguchi. Overall, we had a wonderful stay. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more Japan travel guides. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our next vlog.